So if you like someone's idea, then you can send them a visual praise as well, and send them a special message. Let's say, for example, over here, let's say you really like this idea that someone sent. So in order to praise them, you can go around and reply right here, or you can praise in a new conversation as well. That's up to you. But I'm just going to go around onto the reply section, and then you can see that there's this praise icon right here that you can click on. So once you go around and click on the praise icon, you can select out a badge that you want to attach. So let's say, for example, this is a very creative idea. So I'm just going to select creative right here. You can also add in a personalized note right here. Let's say, for example, wow, this is great right here, just like this. And you can go around and type in the name of the person that you want to tag as well. So in this case, I'm going to tag in the other person right here. And you can preview out how this would actually look like. And once you're ready to send this, you can go around and click on send. So once you do that, what happens is that the badge is sent to the other person, as you can see, just like this, and the praise has been sent right there to the other person, and they know that you're praising their idea for an excellent creativity right here. And that is how you can use the praise feature inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.